What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, we all are mourning, my people. You understand? Yeah, man. The world are mourn again, you know. The world are mourn. See, you know, like how the people that come forward for Donnelly, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, sadly, them still not find out body or thing for you, my people. You understand? And right now, this is all the world I take on right now, my people. The Slickiana thing, my people. No joke about it. You understand? The world is taking on to it, my viewers and subscribers, because people from everywhere are link me. You understand? From different countries, different parts about this whole thing, and I say attacking boss. This thing really sad. Why them have to take out Slickiana? Why them have to do the nice girl like that? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and subscribers, right now I want to go to some breakdown for some things, you know, based on some info where me I get. You understand? And me I go around it and peel around it, because on a real level people, you know, say the attacking boss, most of the time I can solve the thing from early, my people, and I can predict and say you are the person there. But you know, say honestly, my viewers and subscribers, based on what me I see, my vision or nothing, my people, honestly, the youth I know what them list, the recent what them list now when them Russian chisel parties, my people. When them say he's a person of interest. But a real level, my viewers and subscribers, me not feel it, you know. Me don't know why, but me not feel it. You know what I mean? Even though the police them list the time for today date, so earlier he must turn in himself already. Me don't know. You understand? Because them say by 5 p.m. today on Saturday, my people, which is the 22nd of October 2022, my people, the police, the Jamaican Constabulary Force, listen, say Russian choose the parties of the need for turn himself in Donamobia, one of the police stations, the Freeport or one of them. See? I never get no info if him do turning himself. But I'm saying, my people, me not feel it. You know, like how me solve only for case I'm NEWLINK that attack them. I can't feel it, so that same thing I really do it. I don't know why. It's like there's a bigger thing did if you catch. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. You get what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers? A bigger thing did it. So even if the same thing, you know, involving a certain thing, my people, there's more to it, my people. There's a bigger thing. So where me basically I tell my people, the vision of me and the gift that I get really want, you understand, them to find the big thing. But this small thing can be the bait. So as well the police them say them need him because him can assist with the investigation, my people. You know what I mean? But me not feel it to say you want him really take out her. My viewers and subscribers, with this whole thing you hear a lot of speculations. Them say how it unfold, how it happen. First of all, people link me. Them say NEWLINK, my thinking is that she not PR, you know, so she a hot girl, she link with bad man, she link with chopper, she link with gun this, gun that, gun man, bam, 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 bang. Them say attacking boss. Me feel like say the man thing just go off and knock her out. And then, you know what I mean? Him comes up and him not know what to do and him traumatized and him maybe dash her over into the water. Wish more than one person come to me with that, but for a real people, not like that. Nothing like that. Take that views, take that and dash that over the sun. Nothing like that. Because number one, if you all notice and check, there was a string. Okay? And her body can show, if you look good, I don't see it up front. Okay. Her body can show where there was a string that them use to tie around her neck. Her body can show that she was brutally beaten before everything got done. So why that's a mistake when licked upon her skin and mark and butter bruise? Come on, man. And then the water she beat up, so. You know what I mean? Poor smarty when them done it, do not go hear what go on. But on a real level people, that the one they can dash her, the one where them say, yo, something go off mistakenly. No, that can dash her. See? Them take out the girl 3 points. Real levels are not joke about it, my people. Them take her out. See? Remember close by, you know, there was a towel loaded with blood. You understand? Come on, man. She not suit you still in all local shows and thing. You understand? Wig them find one side over there, some people. You know what I mean? Talks and talk make. First thing them say is she there with a big man, a top man. You understand? She get one heap of something going, you know. You hear say she used to dance, go, whole heap of something attack. I know dead man tell no tears. So I go hear one heap of something, my people. But looking into the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers, see? Them say she take an Oxford Express bus. Which span a real level? Slickiana, my people, as me tell you now in a preview, the previous vlog what me do. She have a ride, you know, my people. Recently she purchased one nice Jeep, you know. Yeah, man, nice Jeep, me I tell her she purchased. You understand? I think I RAV4 one of them something, the Suzuki, one of them. Nice Jeep she purchased. See? She have a ride. Them say she take Oxford Express. And when she take it, that's so she gone done. So them she take the one out of Angel out there, so the station. Can you know say them when they have the one at the station at Kingston, then they go jump off at Angel and pick up and then come some and do that and then they reach done so. So them say she take the one out of Angel. That's so. That's how them say my people. See? But if you can't check reality of people and real levels of the whole thing, Zin, the next best thing not fit in. Zin? The part not fit in. Because real thing, my people, she never take the next thing. If she take it, she must take it if you got made something in a king. But when other person do speak, she never take the next thing there. Zin? Them said the last time she was seen was in a blue car. Listen to me, son, man. She got on a B side, my people. Slickiana, my people, as we are telling you, she's an influencer, my people. She not look a low, cheap, broke pocket girl, you know. You understand? The type of man them she really deal with, my people. Official, you know. Me not this, but me talk. You we have them things. Whether they want to be one chopper or one businessman or whatever they want to do. She deal with the man who have things, the people. Me not go say she not rate one look a thing around this one look. You know, so a lot of time, you know, it's them girl they are them real where them get them things from them food from. Me I talk them money. See? But them still have a look of youth on this where them rate where them look a tuggy side. See? So Slickiana thing now, my viewers and subscribers are small. So take the car now, go down some people. Them say she go conduct whatever. Yeah, one heap or something. What them say? She's a what? She's basically somebody who follow people and guard them and protect them, like, you know, go there so with them and this and that. And she did go there so with one rich man and then that and that go on. Yeah, one heap or something. My viewers and subscribers. All I can tell is with her life, you know. See, she gone, you know. The same thing them know them do. You know what I mean? But there's some big thing behind this, my people. Like, me I tell her, a top notch behind this. No small one. You see what a chisel? Yeah, Russian chisel when you put this on. As me say people, me not feel it. See? And even though I will not feel it, my people, but him in a war go on and him know war go on with people, and maybe he was the one who managed to do certain and do this and that. I can say, my people, when the police done them investigation, because you know them a do a great job, them a do it, them a dig in, my people, I can tell us that this I go unfold more to it, my people. There's a top notch behind it. People, me I tell her, this girl Slickiana, she slick. She ain't a fool. You understand? You ever see inside her apartment, my people? In her room of luxury, you know. Big old dirty thinking flat screen per wall, you know. Or just a cost so much thousands her bed, you know, my people. You know what I mean? She was living well comfortable. Girl who know if put herself together. Some people feel away when they talk about influence and say she who is an influencer. Of course she is. Whether she want influence and tell her how to use some makeup, or if put her one shot, so she's an influencer. Because she influencing something to you. You understand? Yeah. She carrying over 300,000 followers on IG. Very popular. She was one of the first person before even Angie and LA decided them to talk about Dana Lee. She was one of the first person to push out on a campaign for Dana. You understand? But sadly, she made the fate of a monster also. My viewers and subscribers, as I'm telling you, there's a big thing behind it, my people. Big thing, big one, and big one. But it a go reveal. Remember, as me telling my people, me can't feel it. You know a whole heap of thing me feel. I don't know that I'm from me telling them I can't feel it, my people. You know what I go on there, so. Because you know when it come on to that, the NEWLINK thing that me feel it and me attack it. When it come on too much case, my people, even, oh gosh, tomorrow I get this. I never forgot you, girl. You know me attack it, my people. The whole heap of them dirty thinking back, all of them. The attacking boss reveal them before police comes about and solve them and do what them I do. But one thing me can say my viewers and subscribers. Slickiana, they not go in vain. All of these thinking sinting behind it. All of uno. It's on the clock counting done. Will be. We don't talk. But people, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect, enough blessings. I thank you all for the love and for the support. For every like, every share, every comment on the drop on the video. You know, see a one team, one dream, one scheme. And I thank you all for believing in the attacking boss. Because without one of my people, I could never they wish part me there. And I thank you all. Because you know how I deal with my thing, my people. You see the work what we put in. We don't just come and run and just drop things. We're talking facts and logics. Some will feel offended when we do talk. But the real ones and the smart one we know say NEWLINK, you is the attacking boss. And you say attack. But people remember to do, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, I'm out. But once I feel it, I will reveal it. Blessings.